Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? From perfect mashed potatoes to DIY ice cream, these 15 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets will transform the way you cook. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, these tools make meal prep faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's dive in and find your next favorite kitchen hack. Tired of messy egg prep? The Sistema Microwave Egg Cooker and Poacher is here to save the day. Whether you're poaching, scrambling, or whipping up a quick omelet, this microwave-safe gadget is your go-to. Its vented lid reduces splatter while cooking, keeping your microwave clean. Made from BPA and phthalate-free plastic, it's fridge, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Perfect for egg muffins, breakfast on the go, or a quick protein boost. No fuss, just yum. Here's the Yaramate Oil Sprayer, the ultimate 2-in-1 kitchen buddy. It lets you spray or pour oil with precision, perfect for air frying, salads, barbecues, and more. The 16-ounce glass bottle is sturdy, BPA-free, and easy to refill or clean. Each spray releases just 0.2 grams of oil, helping you control portions effortlessly. Designed for comfort, the front nozzle ensures no messy hands, and the transparent glass keeps your oil levels in check. A game changer for healthier, hassle-free cooking. This is the Priority Chef Potato Ricer, your secret weapon for perfect mashed potatoes. Its large 15-ounce basket and fine 3mm holes make mashing smooth and quick. The anti-slip cushioned handles offer effortless leverage, no more sore arms, just fluffy spuds. Bonus, it's dishwasher safe and made of rust-proof stainless steel. Use it for carrots, yams, baby food, or even creative purees. Versatile, durable, and easy to clean, it's the ultimate kitchen upgrade for every home chef. Say goodbye to boring lunches with the sandwich cutter and sealer. Perfect for large-sized bread, 4x4 or bigger, this handy tool creates crustless sandwiches in fun shapes like triangles, circles, and squares. Kids will love showing off their cool lunches, and parents will enjoy quality kitchen time making healthy snacks together. Designed for safety, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Join over 100,000 happy families worldwide and transform your lunch game. Say hello to the Nunis Premium Pineapple Corer, your tropical time saver. With an upgraded, thicker stainless steel blade, it effortlessly peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple in seconds. Create perfect rings or hollow out the fruit to use as a fun serving bowl for tropical drinks or desserts. Its ergonomic handle ensures easy twisting without the hassle. Durable, easy to clean, and ideal for parties or gifts, this gadget brings a slice of paradise to your kitchen. Meet the OXO Good Grips Melon Baller, the ultimate tool for fruit and veggie prep. Its double-sided stainless steel scoops come in 2 sizes. Small, perfect for strawberries and peppers, and large, great for fruit salad or ice cream. With sharp edges that won't pierce the skin, it cleanly separates fruit and seeds. The soft, non-slip handle keeps things comfy, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Make meal prep fun and efficient with this handy kitchen gadget. Here's the Ordexity Cherry Pitter, your new kitchen hero for cherry season. With its handheld push design, you can pit a cherry in just 1 second, perfect for whipping up jams or snacking. The rebound feature makes it effortless, while the food-grade stainless steel and silicone build ensures durability. Cleanup? A breeze. It's dishwasher safe and locks neatly for compact storage. Save time, avoid bruised cherries, and enjoy mess-free pitting. A must-have for cherry lovers. Keep your kitchen clutter-free with the Kitchen Utensil Holder Extra Large. This 360-degree rotating caddy makes grabbing your spatulas, ladles, or whisks a breeze. With room for up to 15 tools, it's perfect for any busy kitchen. Made from durable anti-fingerprint stainless steel, it's rust-proof, dishwasher safe, and features drainage holes for quick drying. Plus, the non-slip base keeps it stable on your countertop. A stylish and practical gift for any home chef, or treat yourself to a tidy kitchen. Want to elevate your seasoning game? Meet the Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. Flip it upside down, and voila, freshly ground spices with 0 effort. Adjust the coarseness to your liking, from fine to coarse, using its ceramic rotor. The clear acrylic base lets you check spice levels, while the gentle blue LED light adds flair and visibility. Perfect for kitchens, restaurants, or picnics, this battery-powered grinder is sleek, functional, and fun. Batteries not included. Grab 6 triplet per grinder. Tired of struggling with stubborn jar lids? The Easy Off Jar Opener is your under-cabinet hero. Perfect for seniors or anyone with weak hands or arthritis, it easily tackles vacuum-sealed, child-proof, or tight lids. Its non-slip grip handles all sizes, making it an essential kitchen gadget. Mount it under your cabinet with adhesive or screws to save space and keep it within reach. Ideal for kids, amputees, or anyone needing extra help, this opener makes kitchen tasks stress-free. Tired of squeezing lemons the hard way? Meet the Zule Kitchen 2-in-1 Lemon Squeezer, your compact citrus powerhouse. This manual juicer extracts every drop of juice from lemons, limes, and even small oranges. No seeds or pulp in your way. Built with sturdy aluminum and a food-grade coating, it's lightweight, durable, and easy to use, even for kids. Cleanup? A breeze. Dishwasher safe or quick rinse underwater. Perfect for cocktails, lemonade, or zesty meals without the bulk of electric juicers. Tired of watery drinks? The Tycent Ice Cube trays are here to upgrade your chill game. This set includes molds for 6 large 2-inch cubes and 6 sphere ice balls, perfect for whiskey, cocktails, or iced coffee. Made from 100% BPA-free silicone, they're non-stick, easy to release, and dishwasher safe. These giant cubes melt slower, keeping your drink flavorful for longer. Infuse herbs or fruit for a custom twist. Think minty mojitos or berry lemonade. Say goodbye to boring ice and hello to next-level beverages. Say hello to burger perfection with the Cuisinart 6.5 cast iron smashed burger press. Its heavy-duty cast iron ensures even pressure, locking in juicy flavor with that irresistible caramelized crust. The flat edge delivers crispy smash burger goodness, whether you're grilling outdoors or cooking indoors. Perfect for use on griddles, skillets, or barbecues, it's the ultimate tool for juicy, crispy burgers at every cookout. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your guests. Ready to become the ultimate frozen treat master? Meet the Ninja Creami Deluxe, your 11-in-1 solution for creating ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. With XL 24-ounce tubs, it makes enough for the whole family. Customize your treats with candy, nuts, or fruit, and enjoy dual processing for 2 flavors in one base. Its Creamify technology transforms frozen bases into silky desserts. Whether dairy-free, low sugar, or classic indulgence, your dessert dreams just came true. Create, freeze, creamify, enjoy. Craving a quick, delicious meal? Meet the OvenTea Electric Sandwich Maker, your go-to for gourmet sandwiches, omelets, and more in minutes. Its fast-heating stainless steel plates ensure even toasting, while non-stick surfaces make cleanup a breeze. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for small spaces, standing upright for easy storage. Safety first with cool touch locking handles and anti-skid feet. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or snacks, this sandwich maker adds convenience and style to your kitchen. Toast, cook, enjoy, effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found your next favorite kitchen gadget today, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which tool you're adding to your kitchen. And if you're craving more awesome finds, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for updates on the latest must-have gadgets. See you in the next one. Happy cooking.